Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you go live on TikTok. In order to go live on TikTok, you'll need to follow these steps. Now you also need to understand that there are certain criteria listed out in order to go live on TikTok. So what you need to do is, first of all, you want to open your TikTok application and log into your account. So once you're logged into your TikTok account, what next you want to do is tap on the profile initials or the plus button at the bottom, and there you have these post and create button, right? And over here, instead of two options, you'll be able to find three, which has a live option on it. You have to go ahead and tap on it. And as I already mentioned that there needs to be certain eligibility. That means to go live on TikTok, you must meet the eligibility requirement of being at least 18 years and having a minimum of 1,000 followers. Once eligible, you could start the live streaming through a TikTok app on your mobile device. Unfortunately, I do not have such number of followers, so I cannot go live. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.